Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be preparing this delicious party style jollof rice. This jollof rice is so simple and very easy and delicious. So without wasting much more of your time, please let's get started. So here I'm using chicken. I'm using home raised chicken, and I just added salt, about 2 tablespoons of salt, chicken seasoning. I added also white pepper, chopped garlic and onion, and 1 seasoning stock. After that, I'm just going to mix all together. Make sure you mix your chicken very well and let the ingredient or the chicken be well marinated with the ingredient. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and add about 1 cup of water. Here I added the bay leaf and then add 1 cup of water. Cover this and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. So this has been cooking for 20 minutes now, and I'm just going to go ahead and give it a stir. I'll stir it and then also allow it to cook for additional 10 minutes, and after that I'm just going to take it off and then start frying. You can also grill your chicken if you so wish, but I choose to fry mine. So this has been cooking for additional 10 minutes, and now I'm just going to go ahead and remove it, and then I will keep the stock because I'm going to be using the stock for the jollof rice. So after that, I'm just going to place my oil on the fire, add some onions. The onion help the chicken or any meat you are frying to get a beautiful aroma. So I'm going to fry this golden brown. I don't want it too dry. I want it juicy and very soft. So after frying one side, I will just go ahead and flip it over. And that's it. This is the way I want. This is the texture. I don't want it too dry. I want it very juicy and soft. You can fry yours to the texture that you want. And I'm going to take it out and I'm going to add the rest, and I will do that till I finish frying my chicken. So at this point, I'm done frying the chicken, and I'm going to transfer the oil to my saucepan. Just a little amount of oil. Add in my tomato paste. I'm going to fry this tomato paste for about 2 minutes because I don't want to get a sour taste. So I've been frying this for 2 minutes now, and I'll go ahead to add my blended fresh tomatoes, onion, garlic, ginger, and pepper. That's the ingredient that I have here. Please feel free to use any ingredient of your choice. It must not be the same ingredient that I'm using. Use your preferable ingredient. So after that, I'll allow the stew to fry until it is thick enough or it has reduced. And then I added 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, added black pepper, and then I'll test for salt. At this point, I added 2 tablespoons of salt, and then go ahead to test again for salt. There is need for more salt, but I'm not going to add more salt because I will be using the chicken stock. So I'll go ahead to scoop up excess sauce because the sauce is too much. You don't want the sauce to overpower your rice. You just want to cook it perfect So take enough sauce as you want, and then I'll go ahead to add in my washed rice. I'm using jasmine rice for this recipe. Please feel free to use any rice of your choice. I love jasmine rice, that's why I use it for cooking. So I'll be stirring this and allow it to fry for about 2 minutes. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead to add in my chicken stock, and I'll go ahead to fry for another 2 minutes before adding more water, and then allow it to cook. I want this jollof rice to be very, very soft. So at this point, I just add my boiling water. I'm adding about 2 to 3 cups of water because I want the rice to be soft and moist. Then I'll be cooking this on a medium heat. You don't want to cook your rice on a high heat because jollof rice is so easy to get burnt. So just cook it on a medium heat and allow it to cook slowly till you have the perfect texture that you want for your rice. So I added half cup of water more. Now I'll test for salt, and if there is need to add salt, you go ahead and add salt. But at this point, I'm not adding any salt because of the chicken stock, so everything is perfect. I'll just cover this and allow it to cook until the water dries out. So as you can see, the water has dried out, but not completely, so I'm going to give it a stir. And then after that, I'm going to cover and allow it to cook until the water is completely dried out. So I'll be leaving the list of the ingredients in my description box below, so feel free to check it out. And as I said, do feel free to use any ingredient of your choice. It must not be the same ingredient that I use. Use what you love, use what you like. So my rice is ready, and I'm just going to go ahead to add my chicken, and voila, you go ahead and serve your rice. This rice was super delicious. You can add your shito, your green sauce, or extra stew to eat. Make some salad, and that's it. So I hope you guys find this interesting and very helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and I'll be seeing you all in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, bye.